Alright, this is my shit right here.
Hey man, it's your boy Champ, back here with another one.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm.
I don't even know what I did, but I did that wrong, man. Yes, sir. It's your boy Champ, back here with another one, man. Before we get started, make sure you tap in, subscribe, notification bell, all that, man. Doing the wrong introduction really just threw me out, bro. That's finna fuck up the whole video. My vibe is gonna be off the whole time. I'm just gonna be. But gotta stick to the script, man. Stick to the script. Stick to the script. Hey, we got my man Key Glock with the Ambition for Cash. This hoe got like 1 million some views already. My boy Key Glock, if y'all don't know him, hey, I wouldn't even say him and Dolph is like Batman and Robin, because that ain't fair, man. They more like Batman and fucking another superhero. My goddamn Batman and fucking Cyborg or something. Like, they both equals though, you feel me? Like, they both be going hard. So we finna see what they talking about, what Glock talking about on this show though. I ain't did a Key Glock video in a minute. I ain't did one in a minute. I don't know how long it's been. At least not him Dolo. That boy Snoop. They keeping the paper roll right here. PRU. What you doing in the bank, my boy? When I walk in the bank, they call me by my first name. They call me by my government name. 10 a.m. What's going down?
It has been a pleasure.
Glizzy. What the fuck? Hey, that beat. That's what you want to be like. What the fuck? You see him? I mean, it's all like that too. Hey, that boy Glizzy, he say I'm switching up what I rap about now. Like, I ain't in the hood no more. I ain't living that like that no more. I'm out here living my best life. You feel me? That's what I'm rapping about. We're getting this money. What I'm doing. So hey, you see, you ain't finna hear the same Glock, that old Glock.
My heart cold, yeah. My last name Moncler, yeah. My pockets fat swole, no, I don't eat pearls. Ain't trapping, ain't dead. What these niggas just quit. I'm sipping color purple syrup, ballin' hard just like the beard. Yeah, and Larry Bird, I'm shooting shit. I know you heard. 10 toes never ain't no hurt, nigga.
Hey, we robbing niggas. We got time to make a video. Let's go.
What's up? Hey, I pray but don't go to church. Don't ask me to say the verse. Can't trust no hoe that's devil word. Yeah, I know the devil word. They not know that nobody's perfect. Still can't trust a bitch for certain. For real though. Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag. Yeah, bag, bitch. I just made a bag. Yeah, bag, bitch. I just made a bag.
Y'all in the most.
Bag up.
Nigga, y'all in the most noticeable car though. Y'all hit the bank in the.
Yeah, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash. I got a real ambition for this cash. 13 years
y'all this
old
whole
with a
cruising too.
shoebox stash. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass. Yeah, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash. I got a real ambition for this cash. 13 years old with a shoebox stash. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass.
I knew they was gonna blow up the car. Hell nah, they ain't really blow that bitch up. Hell nah, that was too clean. But that was it for that one. That was Key Glock, Ambition for Cash. Y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about that one. How you feel about Glizzy? That one was cool, man. It was I think the video was, I ain't gonna say more thought was put into the video, but it was different. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, my boy Glock, he said, man, I ain't living the same life. I'm not in the hood. I'm not struggling. I'm not doing none of that more. So I ain't rapping about that no more. So, hey, we got a Glock, he, you know, hey, I'm getting this money. I'm doing, that's what I'm doing. That's what I can relate to now. You feel me? And, hey, I appreciate, I ain't say I appreciate it, but, you know what I'm saying? I can understand that. You feel me? So, as far as this video, it was cool, though. You know, it's like, you know what I'm saying? It was, hey, nigga hit a bank. He got Ambition for Cash, so he hit a bank. You feel me? I don't know. But, hey, good to see Glock making my music. Like I said, it's been a while since I've reacted to a Glock video, bro. I can't remember the last time. But anyway, man, y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about that one. It was cool, man. It was all right. The beat was tough, though. The beat was tough, man. But till next time, to the next video, bro, I'm out. Peace.